Getting out of one's plate carrier quickly is a challenge that modern-day users often face. Condor has solved this problem with their quick-release plate carrier, designed to allow users, when injured or in moments of need, to quickly shed their gear. Lightly padded mesh interior means added comfort while carrying steel plates. The plate pockets measure 13 inches high by 10 inches wide, accommodating most users' body types. Additionally, the plate carrier is adjustable in girth and height to allow the plate carrier to fit snug to the user's upper torso. For quick release, the pull tab can be fitted to either shoulder, which will release the cummerbund from the back, allowing the user to quickly shed the vest. Available in black and multicam and ranging from $95.96 to $163.95, the quick release plate carrier can be found on airsoftgi.com and gitactical.com.